Hello everyone, my name is Prashant and I am the pass out IIM Indore. So NMIMS की calls out हो चुकी हैं. So first question come that what to prepare for the NMIMS specific. So I'm going to take you throughout the process that what is supposed to be done once you receive the call from NMIMS. Also side by side, I'm going to talk about the two specializations that are came newly to the NMIMS Mumbai. So that is business analytics and digital transformation. If you want to know about these two specialization, is watch this video till the very end. Otherwise, you're going to miss that part. So once you have received the call, then you are going to receive the communication from the NMIMS that you have to write the SOP. यहाँ पे SOP लिखनी पड़ेगी आपको for the programs like MBA core. You have to write the SOP. So don't just submit SOP without getting reviewed by your mentor, or if you haven't enrolled with any coaching, ask your seniors or maybe someone who is studying in NMIMS to review your SOP. लोग क्या करते हैं, दूसरे से एसओपी मांग के या सीनियर से एसओपी मांग के अब वही इधर उधर मॉडिफाई करके सबमिट कर देते हैं. डोंट डू दैट. मेक योर ओन वर्जन. एटलीस्ट यू लर्न हाउ टू मेक अ एसओपी. क्योंकि जैसे ही बी स्कूल के अंदर जाओगे वहां बहुत सारे सब्जेक्ट्स आएंगे जिसमें खुद से पढ़ाई करके लिखना पड़ेगा. सो व्हाई नॉट टू प्रैक्टिस नाउ. एसओपी इज नॉट अ something you don't know about it. You know about yourself. You know why do you want to do MBA. So you have to just structure those thoughts and put it on a paper. So I'll start from the key question. So first question will be like why MBA. So this is the question asked in almost all the B schools. So here NMIMS also asked this question. Then strength and weakness. So one of the question that comes or that troubles a lot of people is why should I reject you. लास्ट ईयर हमने देखा था कि एक हमारा मेंटी था, उसको पहला क्वेश्चन ही पूछा था कि व्हाई शुड वी नॉट सेलेक्ट यू और व्हाई शुड वी प्रेफर अदर्स ओवर यू. इस पे जो लोग प्रिपेयर करके नहीं जाते हैं वो बहुत नर्वस हो जाते हैं और उनको आगे वो इंटरव्यू अच्छे से जो आते हुए क्वेश्चन है वो नहीं दे पाते हैं. तो प्लीज प्रिपेयर ऑल दीज क्वेश्चन ऑन योर स्क्रीन. One of the question asked to the people that you have already done your engineering 4 years, you have been to the college, why you want to do MBA. So you are going to waste those 4 years with even joining any technical job of after engineering. Why you want to do MBA. Then few stats question. NMIMS में उतने मैथ से स्टैट्स के क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछे जाते हैं, बट इफ यू आर अ फ्रेशर or if you are working in some aspect of the business where math and stats is important, so please revise your math and stats part. What do you think that MBA is better for you? Why not to continue your job? So again, freshers से पूछा जाता है कि 4 year बीटेक कर लिया, अब उसके बाद एमबीए क्यों करना है. सेम क्वेश्चन लाइक 2 साल फिक्स करियर अच्छा चल रहा है, अच्छा सीटीसी मिल रहा है, व्हाई डू यू वांट टू कम फॉर एमबीए. Then sixth question will be why NMIMS. So and around NMIMS they ask that do you think that NMIMS is a brand? Do you think that NMIMS is going to help you in your like growth? So such type question can be asked, or these questions were asked previously to the many people. So prepare these questions. Then the first process will be the VAT. So NMIMS का VAT as usual नहीं होता है. So as usual means that you'll be given one topic, you'll be asked to write 200 to 300 words or maybe 150 words. Here VAT is like quite different. So here we'll be getting one paragraph, and using the knowledge given on using the information given in that paragraph, you need to write one VAT. So you need to go through that paragraph. If you have something to add on, or maybe if you have some interpretation of that information given, you can do that. Or maybe if you like read about that topic, you can write that according to your knowledge. So VAT, I am giving you the 3 examples. So if someone wants to do a practice, you can just take these paragraphs and practice at your home and get it checked by your mentors or your seniors, as I already told. So the VAT one, this VAT exactly came last year. So they were talking about the technology coming to the workplace, that how technology has made our jobs easier at the workplace and how things were shaping up. So just pause this video and have a look, and after reading this VAT, you can, like, paragraph, you can write your own VAT. VAT 2 was related to the age of marriage. So if you remember the chronology, that uh, like last year or maybe last to last year, government has decreased the marriage age for Indian women, for increase the age of marriage for Indian women from 18 to 21. So what is the implication of that, and lot of other stuff around it. So if someone has prepared good current affairs things, they would be knowing about this topic and they would have written the VATs very well. So my suggestion will be, if some social issues is going on or something is happening around you, please have a knowledge around it, and so that you'll be not only be giving a good answers in PIs, also in the, you can use the same in the VATs also. So VAT 3 was around the comparing the number of vehicles to India and US, and something about the fuels and all. So you can just pause this video and just check how you can write a VAT around this if you get the similar type of paragraph. Then comes the PI part. So I'm starting about from about you. So about you will be, so last year they asked few people that explain yourself in one word. The other way of asking the same thing, na, how your parents describe you, how your friends describe you. So please be ready with such questions. फ्रेशर से पूछ रहे थे कि क्या कंट्रीब्यूट करोगे NMIMS आके, और मे बी experienced people can be at that, how you are going to contribute to the NMIMS as a brand. Explain your job profile. I'm keeping this question here and WorkX both. So maybe once you are, it is asked as an icebreaker question, you don't want to get into that much details. You just like give them the like very brief about your job profile. What do you like about your city? So if someone from Kolkata, they can ask you that what you like about Kolkata, or maybe about Mumbai, why Kolkata is known as city of joy. Last year they had like a lot of discussions about Rasgulla, so you can read about it. Tell me something which is not in your SOP. So you are going to write your SOP in detail, so they can ask you that, have you missed something, or do you want to say something up apart from SOP, what you have already mentioned. Who is your role model? ऐसे ये क्वेश्चन आया तो सीधे किसी का नाम नहीं लेना है. Tell them the which qualities you like in that person. Maybe if someone said that my role model is Elon Musk, so you know that what is happening with Elon Musk, so you should be also be ready what what all things are he is doing currently and why is in news. Then why MBA becomes very important for NMIMS. वाई MBA में वो कभी कभी डायरेक्ट भी पूछते हैं और इनडायरेक्टली भी बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस पूछते हैं. तो व्हाई डू यू वांट टू डू MBA नाउ? सो फ्रेशर से पूछेंगे कि 4 साल कर लिया है, व्हाई नॉट टू गो फॉर अ जॉब. वर्क एक्स वालों से पूछेंगे 2 साल जॉब कर लिया, अच्छा खासा प्रोफाइल है, अच्छा खासा CTC है, व्हाई डू यू वांट टू डू MBA नाउ? लिंक केमिकल इंजीनियरिंग और मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग. सो engineers are like biggest pool of the candidate who come for a PI, so they are that how to link your branch of engineering or engineering to the MBA. Why MBA from NMIMS? So it is like asked a lot or many times. Which specialization in MBA? Why not distance MBA? So people who are already working can be asked, why you are leaving your job? You have options to do a distance MBA. Why do you want to go for a 2 MBA after leaving your job? Or maybe why not to go for a 1 year MBA? So such questions were asked previously. So please revise or rephrase or phrase for yourself and get it checked. Then questions related to your work experience. So if you had worked somewhere, so they can ask you about the job profile, your job role, right? Which all technologies you worked on. So if you are a computer engineer or maybe you're working in technical field, so technologies can be asked. What is the market capitalization of your company? Who is the CEO of your company? Again, if you are working as a software engineer, what is SDLC? So if you are working in a CRM or SAP something, so please do research around it. What is CRM? What is ERP? What are the different type of ERPs or different ERPs? Tell me the competition of Salesforce. Then we have maths and stats. So in maths and stats, they ask like what is H not H1, what is normal distribution, what is Poisson distribution. So you just have a look on this question and just prepare these questions. Then in GK and GS, that last year they had what is WTC, Metroman of India, and the GK questions are mostly flowing around what you have mentioned in your like SOPs, or you have mentioned in your introduction or somewhere else. So please revise that. Then comes the MBA Business Analytics. So for this, they are not asking engineering or any specific degree. They are asking just like 55% of any of the degrees, like statistics, mathematics. So you can join this program. They are also expecting that they have all mentioned that preferred 1 year of relevant work experience. So if you have experience, they can join this. So I have taken the syllabus directly from the NMIMS website, and you can see this. This is like very tech heavy program, I'll say. So you need to going to be exposed to a lot of things like data wrangling or storytelling with data or deep learning. So this is quite technical program. So if you are comfortable with these things, you can join this program. I'll not say that you should be comfortable if you have worked on this. Only thing you need to be open to all this subject, because you are going to study all this in the NMIMS. Then comes the second program, that is MBA in digital transformation. So for that, eligibility itself says that you need to be engineer or MC or BSc IT. And they are also saying that if you had like 2 years or plus work experience, then it is going to be preferred. In digital transformation, you are going to learn basic aspects of uh, like digital capability models, online platforms, supply chain management. So it's a mix of business plus the digital aspect of the business. So you are going to also study the financial and digital payments, IoT and blockchain. So it's also have a good mix of technology and other stuff. This is the list of electives that you can take. So in smart manufacturing related to industry 4.0, technology and e-commerce, IT risk management. So you can just have a look on these subjects and decide that do you really want to do this type of program. So this is all from my side. If you have any queries related to NMIMS PIs or like how to write VAT, you can directly WhatsApp me and check for get your doubts resolved. So thank you from my side, and all the best for NMIMS interviews.